Today I'll be going through the unit hardware. A simple definition of hardware is anything that you can touch in or attach to a computer is considered a part of hardware. It is all of the physical components of a computer system. There are three big categories of hardware, which are input devices, output devices, and system devices. Input devices are all peripherals that are connected to a computer and are used to provide data. Typical input device examples include keyboards, mouses, microphone, scanners, and tablets. Any computer hardware equipment that converts computational data into information humans can understand are considered output devices. These include monitors, printers, projectors, speakers, and headphones. System devices are the key components that allow a computational device to function. They are all made up by 6 main units: a CPU, central processing unit, a GPU, graphical processing unit, RAM, random access memory, storage units, PSU or power supply units, and motherboards. A CPU is the main unit that focuses on all the calculation processes of the instructions that are given to it by input devices, and it goes in the center part of a motherboard as shown. A GPU is the unit that focuses on the graphical processing and is able to provide a visual display of the data on a monitor, and it goes on the bottom part of a motherboard as shown. RAM is a temporary storage of data that is quickly accessible by the computer and is wiped clean each time it loses power. It is a form of volatile storage. RAM is a lot more pricier than typical storage devices and do not come with much storage capacity, usually around 8 to 16 gigabytes in most basic modern-day computers, and it goes on the right side of the CPU as shown. Storage units are permanent storage devices that will not be wiped even when no power is connected to it. It is a form of non-volatile storage. Storage units include SSDs and HDDs, which come in much larger sizes, and in modern data computers, it is common to see 250 to 500 gigabytes of SSD storage and 1 to 2 terabytes of hard drive storage, or HDD storage. Power supply units control the voltage and the amount of power that is delivered to each individual unit, and is shown below the motherboard. A motherboard is a board that is covered with slots designed for all components needed for a computer system and connects them all so that it allows them to work together to process information for the user. Thank you.